Okay, hello everyone. My name is Tuan and I will be your instructor in this course this semester, machine learning. So I think that some of you may have already studied with me before, right? You studied with me in one course. Have you ever learned with me before? No, not yet. How about you? Okay, that's sort of the first that we see, right? Um, so how you doing? How was your summer holidays? Did good? Okay. Um, this course, I know that your class in the English program. So I would actually all the slides and materials I will have them in English, and I can also deliver it in English for you. However, if sometime during the lectures, during the semester, if you find it very difficult to digest the content and you want me to speak in Vietnamese, feel free to do that. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can ask me at any time. You can use in both English or Vietnamese. Okay, so don't worry. Um, and so I think I will try to use English, but maybe after these lectures or after some time, if you find lecture is so hard for us, please speak in Vietnamese, and then I can switch to that. Okay, but because I think most of you this course, I think you are of second or third year student, right? So I believe that during your 2 3 years in this program, I think your English is good enough to understand me, right? Okay. Um, However, that like I say, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in Vietnamese or English. Okay. So let's get started. Um, so this course is about machine learning, and as you know that I have an issue with this cable. Okay, so you know that nowadays AI is the hot trend, right? And in AI, there are many techniques we can use to build an AI agent. If you study, I think you all study about artificial intelligence, right? That's the course before this course? No, not yet, really. So actually, before this course, as a program, maybe your program is different from normal IT program. Before this course, we have a course that's called artificial intelligence, and in that course, we introduce to you an overview of the AI field. And in AI field, we have different techniques to build AI agent. That's a smart agent, and we have the thing that's called classical method. And but nowadays in modern AI software, we actually most of the AI software you are using nowadays is use machine learning. So basically, this code is about very hot thing that we see nowadays. That about AI. So most of the AI agent nowadays they use machine learning, and inside machine learning you have deep learning like LLM model or something like that. Okay, so here is my email. Maybe you want to write it down to during the semester. If you have any questions, anything you want to contact me, any concerns, you can send me an email over this address. So don't worry, I will have another slide to show you that email address again. Uh, okay, so let's get started. Before I teaching any courses, I would like to motivate my student, give them some motivation. Why do they should learn this course? So I know that for most of you, maybe this course is like compulsory credit. If you want to graduate, then you need to take this course, right? However, um, if you just keep that only motivation, then sometime during the semester you may feel very stressed, very tired, with so many deadline, and at that time it's difficult to continue, right? So beside that motivation, I would like to give you all the reason why this course can, good for you. It can benefit you. Okay, so here I have some statistics. For example, this one, AI and machine learning is, recently is always in the top in demand tech skills. Uh, I have here, you can see I get over about 6 sources that talk about that. So AI and machine learning is always on the top in demand tech skill. That means when you join the job market out there, Um, if you have AI machine learning skill, that can be a big plus for you. Okay, um, but this one you may think so. That's for international markets, maybe in the US or Europe. It's not in Vietnam, but here I also okay. This is another statistic. Here I have another statistic in okay, in Vietnam. So this is a report by Top Dev. I think you have heard about the company. They usually make the statistic about the IT industry, the IT markets, job markets out there, and this is their statistic about the salary. So on the salary list is there, I think that's just the average. However, it can give you an overview like for each IT job position, you can somehow um, see what can be your expected salary, right? Um, as I say, it's just an average salary. That doesn't mean when you jump into the field with that position, you will get that number. Maybe you get something lower, maybe you get something higher if you're really an expert in the field. Uh, but this can give you an overview, okay, because that's the average. So you can see that what is the top best position in IT. It is here, right? Can you see my mouse? So So you can see here for the top position, they are all about the senior position like the manager, the architect, the senior position. But for that position, I don't think you can jump into that one when you just graduate, right? Because it takes years to become a senior, an expert in the field. However, just right below that, you have here the list of positions that's called the engineer or the scientist, something like that. And these positions you can get in when you just register from university because this our program when you register you will become an engineer, right? And as you can see here, the top that engineer position is at the moment this year what is that okay so that's just the last year and I think this is the latest one because we are in the middle of 2024 so we don't have this year statistic but this one I think the latest one and you can see the top one will belong to the machine learning and AI engineer so I think that it can also give you some motivation why I should learn this course okay that can be think of motivation. But beside that, even you don't really care for the money, maybe because you're very rich and you don't work for the money. Your family very rich. You can even build your own business. Okay, so money is not the thing you aim the most. Okay, even that. Okay, even that. In that case, study this course and other AI related course. I think is really helpful. Um, for the student who want to make something good to the society. Okay, so I can show you here some example. Uh, by studying this course, then you can really contribute. You can do something good to our community, to the world. For example, this one, you can make something that help people like the blind people. Right? And these things, they are use machine learning, actually deep learning, to build this stuff and okay so this is from this group that's abroad um, however you can see here even in Vietnam they already have something I think can be similar and this one can you guess which university they make this one it's called the smartest is it's like assistant for the visually impaired people that is the blind people so can you guess which university they create this one is that from our university. No, it's not. Oh, sorry. What is the name of that? I think it should be somewhere. Oh, sorry. Why is okay? The color, change the color. So you can see. I don't know why it changed the color. Okay.